Hello friends, today's video regarding new Ulefone Note 17 Pro smartphone. The 108MP primary camera and opulent, vibrant design of the Ulefone Note 17 Pro have wowed the smartphone market since its release. Customers will benefit from increased security and convenience because it features the first AMOLED curved display and an in-display fingerprint sensor. This product is an excellent example of Ulefone's commitment to providing cutting-edge features in its standard smartphone lineup. The Note 17 Pro features a stunning 6.78-inch 120Hz AMOLED curved display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels up front. In addition, Gorilla Glass 5 is included with the screen glass to improve its resistance to scratches and shattering while also protecting it from normal wear and tear. The display's brightness level of up to 500 nits makes it easy to read in brightly lit areas or direct sunlight. The Note 17 Pro comes in three stunning colors: amber orange, pearl white, and velvet black. It has a sleek, glossy metallic finish. The amber orange model's bright and shiny color adds to the phone's fashionable appeal. When combined with the dual ring camera design, the overall appearance appeals to a youthful and modern aesthetic. The Note 17 Pro is powered by a MediaTek Helio G99 processor with support for up to 13 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. This combination ensures seamless performance for both multitasking and daily tasks. The 108MP main camera, which promises high-quality images, will entice photographers. The 32MP front camera for selfies. A 5MP macro camera allows users to capture detailed close-ups of their surroundings. The phone's long-lasting 5050 mAh battery allows it to last up to 450 hours without charging, make 22 hours of calls, and watch videos for 9 hours. An IR blaster feature adds versatility by serving as an IR remote control for compatible devices, while NFC functionality is retained for simple mobile payments and contactless interactions. The Note 17 Pro, which runs Android, provides a customized and user-friendly experience. The Pure version guarantees a clean interface free of unwanted pre-installed software and bloatware. The Ulefone Note 17 Pro boasts an impressive feature set. Its 108MP primary camera, combined with its long-lasting battery and sleek design, make it a formidable competitor in the smartphone market. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share.
And I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that